disjunctive normal form or canonical form. So the definition is given on the screen. You can see there's a definition from the screen. And do not worry about this definition. It will be clear to you from some simple examples, and you can write in your own language. So here is first example. A Boolean function is said to be in disjunctive normal form if each term is a product term and each product term is connected by a disjunction operation or plus operation. This plus operation is also called as a disjunction operation denoted by symbol V. Okay. So this is a disjunctive normal form because xy is a product term and x prime y is another product term. And these two terms are connected by disjunction operation plus. So this is a disjunctive normal form of two variables x and y. Another example, this is Boolean function, disjunctive normal form or canonical form in three variables x, y, and z. It is in disjunctive normal form because each term is again a product term x dot y dot z, x prime y z, x prime y prime, and z. These are product terms, and each product term is connected by a disjunction operation or plus operation. Okay. So there is another equivalent definition given below. This is the definition, which is it is also the same except for the operations. Here in the second definition, the operation plus operation is replaced by V operation V or disjunction operation, and this product or dot operation is just replaced by conjunction operation or gap operation. Otherwise, the definition is same. Okay. Now let us see what is a complete disjunctive normal form. A Boolean function of n variable having 2 to the power n term in disjunctive form is called a complete disjunctive normal form. So first of all, it is a disjunctive normal form. So a disjunctive normal form that contains the maximum possible number of product terms is called complete disjunctive normal form. So this is complete because this is a Boolean function of two variables, namely x and y, and we are having the maximum possible product terms. So xy prime dot dot. How many terms we have? Four terms. This four term is the maximum possible product terms out of given two variables x and y. Okay, so these are the only possible terms with two given variables x and y. So it is in complete disjunctive normal form. Second example, this is a complete disjunctive normal form of three variables x, y, z. So this now we have to check whether this function or this Boolean function is in a complete disjunctive normal form. You just have to simplify this term or expression. Just use the classical multiplication rule to expand this and get the final result. This is the final expression. In the final expression, we see that each term is product term. And how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So according to the Boole's theorem, the number of minimal Boolean function with n variable is 2 to the power n. So that is the maximum possible terms. So here how many variables? We have three variables. So the maximum possible number of terms would be 2 to the power 3, which is 8. So this expression contains, or this function contains 8 product terms, which is the maximum possible. So it is in complete disjunctive normal form. So if we remove any one of the terms from this function, then it will no more be a complete. So here in this case also, if we remove any one of the terms, then this will also be no more complete. Okay. So in the next video, we will discuss the conjunctive normal form and complete conjunctive normal form.